Welcome back to Quiz Hunter! Today's challenge is all about sharp eyes and quick thinking. Find the odd number and letter addition. You'll face 30 tricky puzzles, each hiding one number or letter that doesn't belong. And remember, you only get 10 seconds to spot the odd one out. Think your brain is fast enough? Hit like, subscribe, and get ready to put your skills to the test. Let's dive in. First round. Which number is hidden here? Smart eyes. That's the number 2. Look closely. Now among these numbers, try to find the number 4. Great job! That's the odd one. Try to find the letter S hidden among the number 8. Well done! That's the one. Look carefully. Can you find the number 7 hidden among the Z's? Smart pick. You found it. Spot the odd one. Which number 3 is hiding among the B's? Correct. You saw it. Find the different one. Can you spot the number 1 among the T's? Nice! You found the odd one. Next one. Do you see the number? Yes, it's number 2029. Try to find the number 9 hidden among the 8s. Right answer. That's it. Look closely. Can you spot the blue 0 among the green zeros? Great eye! That's the blue 0. Find the odd one. Can you spot 83 among the 89s? Exactly. That's the one. Medium level. Which number is different? Can you find 60 among the 69s? You did it! That was the odd one. Can you find the changed one? Which 6 is different? Perfect. That's the odd one. Think fast. Which digit is the odd one here? Great job! That's the number 0. One of these 4s is different. Can you find the changed 4? Awesome! You got the odd one! Find the odd one. Which 14 is changed? Sharp eyes. You saw the difference. Guess the odd one. Which number is hiding here? You got it! That's number 25. Try to find the letter S hidden among the 5s. Right again! You've got a sharp eye. (18:1). Can you solve 24 divided by 3 plus 5? Right answer 11. Find it quick. Which item stands out as different? Nice catch. That's the number 3. Which date is different? Can you find November 24 among the October 24s? Sharp eyes! That's November 24th. Hard mode. Which number is hiding here instead of a letters? Great attention. That's the number 0. Tricky mix. Between 8 and 9, which different digit hides? You nailed it! That's the number 3. Complex mix. P and O appear. Which character is actually hiding? Smart eyes. That's the letter B. (24th one). Do you recognize this superhero? Batman, the Dark Knight of Gotham City. Hard one. Can you find the changed Google logo among the originals? Correct! You spotted it right on time. Tiny detail. One M has a changed eye. Which is it? Great job! That's the M with the eye change. Find the hidden letter. Which letter appears among all the numbers? Smart eyes! That's the S. Hard pick. Find the number hiding among letters. Perfect spotting. That's the number 9. Eye detail round. One A has different eyes. Which A is it? Sharp vision. That's the A with the A change. Final round. Find the different two-digit number. Nice work! That's 28. Nice work, quiz hunters! You've made it to the end of the odd number and letter edition, and some of those rounds were seriously tricky. How many odd ones did you spot? Tell us your score in the comments. We want to see who's got the sharpest eyes. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun puzzles every week. See you in the next quiz!